Good morning, my dear students. Today I start class 14, solve quadratic equation by using the formula. Formula is fixed, whatever it may be. Example. Just one different example is there. Solve x square plus 10ix minus 21 is equal to 0. Let x square plus 10ix minus 21 is equal to 0. X square plus 10ix minus 21 is equal to 0. Carefully this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Polynomial form where a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10i, c is equal to minus 21. Find the value of x, solve, degree to 2 solutions, understood, or 2 roots. We know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. 4ac divided by 2a. Substitute values, that is x is equal to minus b is what, 10i plus or minus square root of 10i b square minus 4 is what, 1, c is what, minus 21 divided by 2 into 1 is equal to minus 10i plus or minus square root of 10i square, 10i whole square can written 10 square I square, 10 square 100, I square value is what, minus 1 is equal to minus 100. This is what, minus 100 minus is what, plus 4 into 21, 84 divided by 2 is equal to minus 10i plus or minus square root of minus 100 plus 84 minus 16 divided by 2. Root of minus 16 can written root of minus 1 root of 16. This is I, this is 4 is equal to minus 10i plus or minus 4i divided by 2. One take positive, one take negative, 2 values, that is minus 10i plus 4i divided by 2, 1 values, another minus 10i minus 4i divided by 2 is equal to minus 3i minus 7i. Minus 10 plus 4 minus 6, 6 by 2 3. minus 10 minus 4 minus 14 divided by 2 minus 7. Two values, that is here. This is the quadratic equation. Solve, that is we'll get the answer. Carefully solve. Next example, example, that is solve 21 different type. I will explain. X square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. This one. Solve. Here constant 1 by root 2 is there. If you c is equal to 1 by root 2 take, that is solve. Otherwise here multiply by root 2 on both sides, polynomial form. Let x square plus x plus 1 by root 2 is equal to 0. Multiply root 2 on both sides. Multiply by root 2 on both sides. Root 2 x square plus root 2 x plus 1 is equal to 0. Root 2 cancel, 0 into anything 0. This is quadratic equation of the form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is equal to root 2, b is equal to root 2, c is equal to 1. A value, b value, c value. We know that the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2. Substitute a value, b value, c value. X is equal to, b is what? Root 2 minus root 2 plus or minus square root of b square. B value is what? Root 2 square minus 4. A is what? A is root 2. A is root 2. C is what? 1 divided by 2 root 2. 2 root 2. A value, B value, C value, substitute. Next, that is denominator, keep as it is, 2 root 2 minus root 2 as it is, plus or minus square and root get cancel, 2 minus 4 root 2 is equal to, that is 2 root 2 minus root 2 plus or minus square root of, first write this one, second write this one, minus taking common 4 root 2 minus 2, minus taking common 4 root 2, minus taking common 4 root 2 and minus 2 is equal to 2 root 2. This negative take outside, negative becomes is what? Negative outside, value is what? Imaginary I. Remaining part write here 4 root 2 minus 2, 4 root 2 minus 2. This is here, this can be written root a root b, because root of this is minus 1 into 4 root 2 minus 2 is there. Here root of minus 1, root of 4 root 2 minus 2. Root of minus 1 value is what? I. One positive value, one negative value. This is finish. Here quadratic equation, that is solve. Here carefully write imaginary. This is the biggest, this is the smallest is there. Minus taking common, minus taking common. First write this one, second write this one. This is minus, minus minus plus. Root of minus 1 is what? I. That is the value. Next example. Example number 3. Solve that is here x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Solve x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Just the previous, here 2 is there, multiplied by 2 on both sides. Let the equation, quadratic equation, x square minus 2x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0 is the equation. If 3 by 2 is there, keep as it is, no problem, but remove 2, multiplied by 2 on both sides. Here if you are interested, keep as it is, very simple. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a is what? 1, b is what? minus 2, c is what? 3 by 2. To find the values or roots, we know that the formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. That is here minus b value is what? B value is what? minus 2. B value is what? minus 2. Plus or minus square root of b square minus 2 whole square minus 4. A value is what? 1. A value is what? 1. C value is what? 3 by 2 divided by 2a. 2 into 1. That is here is equal to minus minus plus 2 as it is, plus or minus negative square always positive. Square root of 2 square is what? 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 3 6 minus 6 divided by 2 is equal to 2 plus or minus, here minus 2 divided by 2. That is 2 plus or minus negative outside I root 2 divided by 2. One positive, one negative. One positive is there, one negative is there. That is the values. Next, here next example. Solve quadratic equations. Solve that is here example here 21 x square plus minus 28x plus 10 is equal to 0. That is here 21x square minus 28x plus 10 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation. Solve. Let this is in the form of what? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Where a is what? A is equal to 21, b is equal to minus 28, c is equal to 10. This is the values. We know that the formula, substitute a value, b value in this formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2e. 2e, that is equal to minus as it is. B value is what? Minus 28 plus or minus square root of 28, which 28 minus 28 whole square minus 4. A value is what? 21. C value is what? 10 whole divided by 2 into 21 is equal to, that is minus plus or minus square root of 28. Negative square is what? Always positive. 28 is whole square. 784 minus 840 divided by 42 divided by 42. That is total is what? Minus 56 is equal to 28 plus or minus root of minus 56 divided by 42. Here 56 can express 14 fours are. This can be expressed 28 plus or minus I root 14 into 4 divided by 42 is equal to 28 plus or minus I 4 take outside 2 root 14 divided by 42. One positive, one negative. This is the values for the quadratic equations. Next, solve for the quadratic equations. Next, example number, write example, solve 27x square minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. Right. Let ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 27, b is equal to minus 10, c is equal to 1. we know that x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a is equal to minus b value is what? Minus 10. B value minus 10 plus or minus square root of b square minus 10 whole square is minus 4. A value is what? 27. C value 1 divided by 2. A value is 27. Is equal to minus plus 10 minus plus 10 plus or minus negative square always positive 10 square 100 minus 4 into 27 108 divided by 27 into 2 is what? 54 is equal to 10 plus or minus root of minus 8 divided by 54 is equal to 10 plus or minus I times of root 8 divided by 54. This is the quadratic equation. And simplify that one. 10 by 54 and that is root 8 divided by 54. If you are interested, this is the complete for the two values. Next, that is a quadratic equation for a complete solve. Then next for the sum machine, that is find the conjugate of find the conjugate 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus I. That is here 2 marks example. Find the conjugate. We know that. Do you know that z is equal to a plus ib, be a complex number? This conjugate meaning bar. This is the symbol for conjugate. Conjugate meaning symbol for bar. Is what? A plus ib becomes a minus ib. This is a plus ib form? No, this is the product of complex and division of complex. Product and division. First express in the form of a plus ib form. First convert a plus ib form. Let a plus ib form convert, that is the 3 minus 2i into 2 plus 3i divided by 1 plus 2i into 2 minus i. Don't write individual conjugate. First express this one, complex form. This is incomplete, make it complete. Here product of numerator, product of denominator. 3 2s are 6 plus 3 3s are 9i minus 2 2s are 4i minus plus minus 2 into 3 6 I into I square divided by 1 into 2 minus 1 into I plus 2 into 2 4i plus minus 2 into 2 I into I square. Here because I square value is what? minus 1, this make it minus 1, this make it minus 1. This is minus 1 becomes plus 1, minus 1 becomes plus 1. That is here 6 plus 9i minus 4i plus 6, 2 minus I plus 4i plus 2. This is the complete. Next, real, imaginary, real, imaginary, separate. Real part is what? That is, this is 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. Divided by. Next, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Yes. This is which form? Division of complex. Not here. If there is no complete complex, again rationalizing the function. Here, next make it rationalize the function. Here, rationalizing the function. Do you know that apply? That is denominator. Here, write numerator and denominator. This is rationalizing the function. Do you know that? Rationalization. Rationalizing the function. Rationalizing the function. This is the rationalizing, that is multiply and denominator. 4 plus 3i becomes 4 minus 3i divided by 4 minus 3i. Multiply numerator, multiply denominator, that is denominator a plus b for a minus b. Product of a plus b, a minus b is what? A square minus b square. Here 4 square, a square minus b square, b square. 12 into 4, 48 minus 12 into 3, 36 plus 5 into 4, 20. Next, minus 5 into 3, 15. I into I square. Here I square is there, here I square is there. That is 3i square. Can written 3 square I square. 3 square is 9. I square value is minus 1. Value is what? Minus 9. Next, here that is 4 square 16. 3i square minus 9. 48 minus 36 I plus 20 I square value minus 1 minus plus is equal to 48 plus 15 is what? 63 minus here 36 is there minus 20 here 36 minus 20 is what? Minus 16i divided by 16 minus plus 9. 16 plus 9 is what? That is 25. This is a complex. Yes, this is a complex. To find conjugate, yes, conjugate of this is z bar. Z bar is what? Here 63. Real part keep as it is. This is minus becomes plus 16 times of I divided by 25. Do you know that conjugate meaning is what? Here this is incomplete complex, make it complete. Yes, perfect complex here is there. Yes, perfect complex. Apply the conjugate means bar means real part as it is, change imaginary part of the sign. Yes, this is the symbol for what? Conjugate symbol. That is the symbol for conjugate. That is 63 divided by 25 plus 16 by 25. This is the here, that is the conjugate of that one. Find the conjugate of this one. This is incomplete complex, make it complete. Product of numerator, product of denominator, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9i minus 4i minus plus minus 2 into 3 6 I into I square. I square value is what? Minus 1. I square value is what? Minus 1. Denominator 1 into 2, 2. 1 into minus I, 2 2s are 4i, plus minus 2i, 2i square. I square value minus 1. Minus plus. Real part, imaginary part. Separate real, separate imaginary. This is the division of complex. Class 2 algebra on complex. Division of complex, rationalizing this denominator. A plus b becomes a minus b. A plus ib becomes a minus ib. 4 plus 3i becomes 4 minus 3i. Multiply numerator, denominator, 4 minus 3i. Product of numerator, product of denominator. That is 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 3, 36. 5 into 4, 20. Plus minus. 5 into 3, 15. I into I square. This denominator a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square. A square minus b square. 3i square is what? Minus 10. Because I square value is what? Minus 1. Minus plus 25. Add real, add imaginary. Conjugate. Conjugate means real as it is. Change imaginary part. Minus becomes plus. This is the complete complex. Then apply conjugate. Don't direct apply conjugate. 3 minus 2i becomes 3 plus 2. No. This is make it convert from the complex. This is incomplete complex. Make it complex. Then apply the conjugate. This is the very important point of view. 2 marks. Next, I will continue to the remaining miscellaneous extra examples is there. Okay, I will continue.